how to fix GTA 5 please reboot problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. First, just go to documents and then go to Rockstar Games and GTA V. Right click here on settings and click open with, then notepad. Now go click edit, click edit and then click find, and here type dx and click find next. Now just close this window, scroll down. Now all you need to do here, just set it to 0 and click save and go back. And after that, just close all the applications that you don't need here, like Discord, and close Google Chrome, and then try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.